Oh, he got so wet. Hey, I had a thought the other day. Wouldn't it be cool if like you could do the Toyota jump and you teleport to different locations?
That would be
I wonder how
useful,
that would work.
Then we could just be...
Whoa. That was sick. Let's try it again.
The heck, I'm Bardo? That's a pretty easy way to lose 10 pounds.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel.
If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to Overlanding Overland, where we mock the overlanding community by being
part of it. Might be wondering why we're standing in front of a cheese platter right now. It's because our supply chain has been cut off due to the BC floods. All the grocery stores are now empty of food, so we found an art gallery and there's free food. Art exhibit?
Installation. All we know is they have this art. Wine, cheese, and crackers. In the woods.
This episode's gonna be a little bit different this week, considering that everyone is getting a 30-liter fuel ration because everyone's freaking out and panic buying all the fuel. Bunch of Karens going all over the place, freaking out, city slickers everywhere, going to every gas station on the South Island, taking all the fuel out. Fun times to be on the West Coast.
I have a pink cup.
Hey! With the BC floods, I have to look at the camera. It's right there.
Yeah, it is. It's right.
With the BC floods currently affecting most of southern BC, our supply chain has been cut off as the Trans-Canada number 1 through the Coquihalla has been completely devastated from all the floodwaters. Almost every single overpass has been washed out, cutting us off from the rest of Canada. Some of the highways are currently reopening as we speak, but it leaves us on the island in kind of a pickle because we have no way of bringing food and supplies to the island. So the government has told us we're only allowed 30 liters to overland. Currently on our way to Mill Bay to show you where this fuel comes from.
The tank farm.
Tank farm. How's it going?
How you doing?
Alright, good up to
Doing a YouTube clip.
So we're currently standing in front of the Hatch Point tank farm here, where there's
About 1 million liters of fuel sitting in those tanks. You can also see a Columbia Fuels truck waiting to fuel up at the fueling station. Everyone is panic buying fuel for no reason because there's tons of fuel on the island.
It just had a little bit of a hiccup getting through the Malahat as it shut down for a day or two, but
Yeah, so the local government has told us that we're only allowed 30 liters of fuel.
the maximum amount of overlanding fun on us. But there is a way past it.
There is. UMass Prairies were probably hit the hardest during the BC floods last week.
This video clip that's being shown right now is of a wholesale RV lot that was flooded out and then mysteriously lit on fire.
Yeah, it's strange. Maybe he didn't have flood insurance and fire would cover it. I mean,
Makes sense to
allegedly.
me.
Allegedly. That way you can't get sued.
Right.
So yeah, we can't overland this week, so this episode's gonna be a little bit... Wow. Can I just say it properly? I don't know.
I don't know, can you?
I don't know. Apparently we can't overland this week because everyone is on... Expectations? Reality. 31 liters. There it is. You can only get 50 bucks of fuel. 30 liters, but some guy ahead of us got 31.
Cheater.
Speaking about panic buying, we're going to be heading to a few grocery stores to show you how we can't buy any food for going camping. Because that's where overlanders go. They go to grocery stores and buy their food.
I want prepackaged goodness.
I want vacuum sealed steaks.
Mmm.
lots of this though.
Yeah, there's tons of plant-based food.
Plant-based meat.
But all the meat is basically gone. No meat. I guess no one likes fish either. Insanity. So I'm guessing this piece of ice is $1.99. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Everybody's freaking out right now because they think there's going to be a food shortage, but there really is no reason to be buying all this crap and stocking up and hoarding at your home right now. We are going to recover because there's no recovery needed. All these idiots are panic buying food when they're not panic buying Land Cruisers. Suckers. You're probably conversating to see where all the fuel is. Just gonna go around them. See you guys. And now for a special message from Bartow Built.
Alright friends, well, for one, dumping garbage in the woods is no bueno. But when you dump garbage that has value, I mean, no value here, right? But look at this. A bag of copper wire. Do you know how much copper wire is worth in scrap? And, not to mention, an interior light fixture for my Overland rig, and a fuse panel. Can you say hashtag overlanding for the poors? I can. I just did.